Me no one up, girl, me rather slap smaddy wife. From the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop.
Well, from the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. I that him say a while ago, lad.
I slap smaddy wife. From the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice.
Reaction.
What's the word to be about TyrekeReacts, aka the Reaction Boss? We're back in with another video for you guys. We hear a song from my youth, what them call Lyriii. I say pronounce the name, I'm not sure. You see me I say, but go and like up the video. You see me I say, drop your thoughts on this video right here. So I saw a little news video about this song and the artist also. You see me I say, apparently youth are 15, him in high school still. And one, you know, Jamaican people stare when it comes down to the youths and you know the sexual gratification. You know, you know the chopper. We're not gonna talk to it. We're gonna react to the song. We're gonna see what's going on for the video. We're gonna see if it really worth the hype. 1 million views, number one and trending for Jamaica as a 15-year-old. Yeah, do it in general. I'm gonna give a bad reaction right now, man. I'm gonna see what's going on. You see me, I say. You know, obviously, I hear the song already. Because I'm not telling every video. I'm not live in Jamaica, so I know what trend or what hot in Jamaica. I see it on the internet. You see me, I say. Or I'm see it like a news video about it on YouTube mainly. So, make we see what I'm going to see. Lyriii, run it through, respect.
Listen to me now, sir. You see me?
Country hat music.
Stand up and me not gonna tell you something why you no more.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. This is 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, the actual YouTuber.
Me not gonna tell you something why you no more because you don't have a chance. Right now, me and you die. We die like we official. And you listen to
Me no one up, girl, me rather slap
I saw that youth here live. I saw him live. But look how the man live,
why
people.
you no more because you don't have a chance.
Big woman are pressing close for God's school.
We die like we official. And you listen to
Me no one up, girl, me rather slap smaddy wife. From the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to
Well,
chop.
from the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. I that him say a while ago, lad.
I slap smaddy wife. From the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me see why my wife because she actually tight. She see why.
The man wife that the person goes up. Wala, lad.
me and you die. We die like we official. And you listen to
We no one up what?
Me no one up, girl, me rather slap smaddy wife.
Alright.
From the skin clean and the crotch sanitize.
Yeah.
She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice.
Yeah.
Me see why my wife because she actually tight. She see why see up on the ox, so she climb. Stop watch me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press.
Say boy, I take my wife and push in this class. Conga school.
Watch me no ask you for time. Go find a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press when me see stop
Detention
on the sign.
class.
Girl, if you have respect. France, she see drug and she want fi kiss snake. And France, she see half a mil all a pick take. A one life either you go live boring or your is dead. Link up balls and need them. The money stink like mud when he cake up over in a big pen. Turn over Range Rover in a zinc fence. Turn over Range Rover in a that and fix it. Me rich already and me I want pitney.
Yeah.
Mother youth just a yap.
Walla, no, walla. The dog say rich them want pick me.
In
Walla.
a big Ben, turn over Range Rover in a zinc fence. Turn over Range Rover in a that and fix it. Me
Rich already and me I want pick me.
Some other youth just a yap like Bixby. And me say 6 like they come in a Dixie. No local fish and if for that fire my cheese stick a
Yeah.
pitch there such a killer G-sticks a who's.
The dog have a teacher upon her knees.
No local fish and if for that fire my cheese stick a bad.
The dog have a teacher upon her knees.
Bitch, they are such a killer G-sticks a who still a brag over flip cash and flip bricks. Rich off for Mr. Kyle and Mrs. Trish. I me no one up, girl, me rather slap smaddy wife. From the skin clean and the crotch sanitize. She want 9 piece, she have to chop on the rice. Me say why my wife because she actually tight.
Yeah.
She see why see up on the ox, so she climb.
Yeah.
Stop watch me no ask you for time.
Yeah.
Find a job or go chop on the line. Gas me a press when me see stop on the sign.
I said, get some person when she stop on the side. Don't play with him.
They panic not panic coast. Fast make a milli from me calls. My phone never born with the riches, made it partially poor. With drug get limited of gas as the core. Me use bank like a hard that she
That's
store.
never born with riches, it be partially poor. You never poor. Partially. What?
Panic coast. Fast make a milli from me calls. My phone never born with the riches, made it partially poor. With drug get limited of gas as the core. Me use bank like a hard that she store, but I never try and I go check it bar pa me clothes. She high but I no cigar when she smoke and the sun a shine, but it juvie heart a fi cold. They panic coast panic not. Grand pitney there from me holes my the data. The bill them a fi pay and put she host my the partner. She see a couple milli pan the Porsche and the jazz job.
Did he just say Grand Prix there from him host my the data? Hold on, the general.
Cold. They panic coast panic not. Grand pitney there from me holes my the data. The bill them a fi pay and put she host my the partner. She see a couple milli pan the Porsche and the jazz job. She say me have a great house and the palm and me dog them richer than Scotia. Me knock cap. Me say me knock cap. Me not fi thought that. Why? Me no hold up, girl, me rather strap smack the
Wife.
When it's getting clean and the crutch
Friend ties.
she want 9 months, she have to shop on the right. She see wife, stop watch me.
That's a nine. We will mix that part there. That part there. I like that mix. I like that part.
Listen to me now.
I like that part. We will mix that part there. But what are your thoughts down below in the comment section? Him do him thing. From my point of view, him do him thing. But what you think, drop down in the comment section. And me know, you know me already know. You see me I say the young generation. You see me I say me in the same category as them bag of old people. I go eat upon the thing and I say yo, in my mind I'm yo. Can you know someone's already 16? Is it? When you are the 16, what you did that do? When you're the 15, what you did that do? Come talk about the little man that do him thing. The man that do him thing, and you find a way to do it. And I probably have more money than you will criticize him. Go sit on one side. Shalom. Anyways, me soon another video, man. Drop another reaction phone right about now. Reaction boss is back. We're active. I'm going to drop 2 videos to come down and post it today. Next video posting in a couple of minutes. Soon in another minute, though. I'm out.